You're Frank, right? Yeah. Nice to meet you. I'm Johnny. I just got ink at your Melrose location.
Oh, cool.
From
right
Kyle, I believe his name is?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Kyle.
he's a cool guy, bro.
Very cool.
I like your shop.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just wanted to meet you in person. I also went to your Hellraiser event, too.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Appreciate you, brother. Thank you for everything you do for the community and stuff. You know what I mean?
Glad you had a good time.
Yeah, brother. I'll see you around, huh?
All right, sounds good.
Take care, dude. Later, brother. How you doing?
Doing all right.
I'm Johnny. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. Yeah, Brody.
I've seen you on the unaffiliated account.
Yeah. Kelvin was just here.
Oh, no.
I don't know where he went. We've all been kind of just going like this.
There's
for a
so
while.
much to see. It's my first time at Cook's Corner. So.
Oh, first time here.
Yeah.
No shit. Do you live in the area? Or?
No. It took me an hour and a half to get here.
Where'd you come from?
North Hollywood.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. So yeah, you came a ways.
Yeah, but it's fun. I've been meaning to come out here, so with this event going on, it just gave me a reason to even come, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Well, there's a lot to see, man, and it doesn't seem like it's gonna slow down at all.
Yeah, I know.
Have you made it inside at all?
I
yet?
haven't. I literally just parked and I've just kind of like walked down
just
here.
barely made it
get
down,
my few shots, you know, shake a few hands here and there.
Nice. Yeah, it's crazy. When I first got here, I think I parked way out in the dirt, and then I moved the bike down like kind of towards the end when some people started leaving and kind of dipping out. But I'm sorry, what'd you say your name was?
Johnny.
Johnny. Okay.
Yeah,
I don't remember
Brody.
that.
Right?
Yeah, Brody. Yeah, I'm really bad with names.
I am too, so I don't take it personally. But yeah, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Yeah,
bro,
absolutely.
For sure. Yeah.
So you watch his videos all the time?
All the time,
Nice.
and he's actually inspired me to start my own YouTube channel.
Oh, sick. Okay.
Yeah,
wow.
yeah.
Nice.
So
what's it called?
It's called Ride the Harley into the Sunset.
I've seen. Yeah. Wait a minute.
The little pig.
Yeah. Didn't you?
They're so unique. There's so many.
So much good stuff.
All the paint jobs and like everything, like the choppers.
Yeah. So there's Epics are right there, even with that green. This paint is pretty sick.
It's bad. Oh, look at this one.
Yeah.
We're so stuck on this one that we didn't even. Yeah, that's bad.
You know what I like about this one is it's like the actual base color is kind of going from a.
Until it did. Throw these things out, Hunter, and quit making it to do about it.
Pretty cool.
If these bikes were on the box that you and these guys rode these bikes over at Vegas, so they have a little slimy, they got...
The Dominator. Are you kidding me? Look at this one, bro.
All right. I just don't know what flavor of metric that is. Resin. hearts everywhere too. I know that she actually added a little heart right here. When she painted the frame, she molded it. I know, I was just thinking